Hello everyone, welcome to CRT College of Law. A big update. We have introduced a new course in our college, that is Cyber Law. So let's learn what is Cyber Law. Cyber Law, which is also known as Internet Law or Digital Law, is a field of law that deals with legal issues related to the Internet, digital communication and online activities. As technology is advancing with every single breath, cyber law is becoming incredibly important to address the legal challenges and opportunities arising in the digital world. Cyber law encompasses a wide range of legal issues related to the use of computers, the internet, and digital communication, such as number 1, data protection, which ensures the privacy and security of the personal information collected and stored online. Number 2, intellectual property, protecting digital creations, including software, websites, and online content. Number 3, cybercrime, addressing the illegal activities conducted via digital means, such as hacking and online fraud. Number 4, online harassment, managing issues related to cyberbullying, stalking, and other forms of online abuse. So, as we came to know that this is a dynamic and high demanding course these days, providing n number of career opportunities. Whoever is interested in pursuing this course can contact the number given below. Thank you and bye-bye.